Completed that, sir.
So let us see now, as we know, we have written in last class we studied displacement from velocity time graph, but object is in uniform motion. Mr. Lingesh, your doubt will be clear now. So observe, first we have drawn the graph that when an object is in uniform motion. So object is in uniform motion means we can say what is the velocity? Velocity remains constant, or acceleration is what? When the object is in uniform motion, acceleration is equals to what? Everybody, 0 meter per second square. So that we can say velocity is what? Constant velocity or variable velocity? Please respond. Nobody?
Constant velocity.
So velocity is constant. That is what we have been studied. So that how the graph will be? The graph will be parallel to the which axis? The graph will be parallel to x-axis. That is what first we have done. Now, if I want to find a distance traveled by a body, how I have been found? We have been proved it. Area is equals to what? Mathematical derivation also have taught. Area is equals to what?
L into B, and it is also equal to displacement.
Displacement. Area, if you found under the graph, if you find the area, that is equals to what? Everybody respond. That is equals to displacement done by the body. Same way, next we have drawn for an object in uniformly accelerated motion. It is not uniform motion, uniformly, everybody, uniformly accelerated motion. So for uniformly accelerated motion, how the graph will be? Everybody, how the graph will be? It is straight line, but inclination to which axis? Inclination to time axis. That is what uniformly accelerated motion. Linear graph, but it is inclined to the x-axis, time axis. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. Agalya, Alfin, Shivani. So that is what. So here what? Time, and here what will come? Velocity. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Velocity meter per second. So now if I want to find the acceleration from this, so how to find acceleration? Select any 2 points. One point is B, another point is A. Then what is the next step? Tell me fastly, everybody.
That's sir, right.
Yeah, we have to extend horizontally and vertically towards to what? X-axis and as well as x-axis and as well as respond. Everybody, others don't know. Y-axis. Clear? Then that is the slope. We have to find it. So what is the slope here? What is the angle here? Everybody, angle is equals to 90 degrees.
90 degree.
And here angle is equals to this theta and this theta is both are equal. Right or wrong, guys? If it is a linear graph, yes, Mr. Lingesh, everywhere theta is remains constant or varies? Theta is remains constant or varies? Remains. Please respond. Theta is remains what, Mari? Constant. Yes or no?
Constant.
Yes. So it is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means we all know how to find acceleration. Slope is equals to what? Slope is equals to tan theta. So tan theta is equals to what? This is B, this is C. Let me assume C, and this is A. So then tan theta is equals to what? Slope is equals to, everybody, tan theta is equals to perpendicular AC divided by base. Base is what? BC. So AC means what, guys? We know initial velocity is U, final velocity is V, and initial time is T1 and final time is T2. So now tell me from this, slope is equals to tan theta is equals to what we can say? AC means, respond, AC. AC means what, Ra?
V minus
means what? All of you respond. AC means final velocity minus initial velocity. Same way BC. BC means what?
T2 minus
T1.
So tan theta is equals to V final velocity minus initial velocity divided by final time minus initial time. So we all know acceleration. What is the acceleration formula? Everybody tell me. Acceleration is equals to
the change of velocity.
Change in velocity divided by what?
Yes.
Divided by time taken. That's yes. So change in velocity is what? This is what? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by change in time what? T2 minus T1. So I can say slope is equals to tan theta is equals to, what is that guys? Velocity time graph.
Acceleration.
Acceleration. That is what you have to remember. Till here we have been done. Anybody having any doubt? Let me ask. Let me know. Clear? All of you understood or not? Yes, please. All of you respond. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Okay, that's fine. Shall we start now? All of you. Further. Now, observe, as we know, the slope of velocity time graphs gives what, guys? Slope of a velocity time graph, I will say. Slope of a velocity time graph will give you what? Thus, slope of a velocity time graph will gives you what? Please respond.
Acceleration.
Yeah,
Acceleration.
Yeah, time graph gives
Acceleration.
acceleration. Understand all of you? Acceleration of a body. Any doubt, Mari, in this? Okay, well, now observe, as we know in before case, the area under the graph will give you what? Area under the graph will give you what? All of you respond. Area under the graph will give you what? Everybody.
Displacement.
Displacement. Understanding? Same way. Now, I want what is the displacement under this graph between this B point and A point. Yes, anybody can tell? What is the area under this graph? Can you tell me? I will highlight it. Is it right or wrong? You verify it. I want to know, you people. Is it right or wrong? This is the area under the graph between A to B. Is it okay? All of you, will you accept with me? Please respond. Sanjay, accept us,
Yes,
Sanjay.
sir.
Yes, Sanjay, please respond. Accept. Everybody, so let me take that point is E point and this point is D point. So now you tell me, what is the name of this shape you are observing? You are observing some name, some shapes. Can you tell me what is the shapes you are observing? Nobody. So right, the magnitude of displacement, write it. The magnitude of displacement, Shivani, are you understanding, Shivani? The magnitude of displacement will be given by the area under the what, guys? Names, tell me, what is the name of this area? A, B, E, D, C. Is it right or wrong? No response, no use. I will never get interest. Gokul Raj,
Yes, sir.
under the
Yes,
area
sir.
of A, B, E, D, E. A, B, tell me, area of what? Area of A, B, E, D, C. Is it right or wrong? Yes,
sir.
that is what. So, of course, it is not even C. We can take directly A. This entire shape, it is completely. So, C is not. A, B, E, D, A. A, B, E, D, A. That is what the graph under the velocity time graphs. Area A, B, E, D, A under the velocity time graph. Now, that particular part alone I will draw here. Am I right or wrong? You tell me. First, B, A, next, of course, middle we are having something, C, and next here E, and again here D. This is the shape of that. Is it right or wrong? Verify it, everybody. Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
I want to find it. I want to find this area. So this is area 1. Let me take, this is area 2. Now, can you tell me what is the shape of this one present here? I want to know.
Right angle triangle.
Yes, triangle.
Right angle.
And down, what is present? Down, what is present?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Clear?
Correct.
So what is the rectangle present here? What is the name of the rectangle? Tell me. Rectangle name. Rectangle. What is that? B, B, C, D. B, C, D, or whatever it is. B, C, D. Is it okay, Mari? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, area of a triangle. Area of a rectangle and area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Can you tell me area of a triangle? What is that? Name of the triangle?
BCA.
ABC
Half into
or
B into
BAC.
H.
No, I'm saying ABC, area of a triangle. Correct or not? So, displacement, magnitude of displacement is equals to, some people are making noise. Please mute yourself. Who is that? Shivani? Yeah. Displacement under the graph is equals to area A, B, E, D, A. That is what? Area of a trapezium. Is it right or wrong, Lingesh? It is a trapezium.
Yes.
Have you noticed it? This entire name is called as what? What we used to call? Entire name is called as trapezium only. Yes or no, Mari? Yes,
sir.
that is. So now, area of a trapezium contains two things. Check it, everybody. What is that? Area of a rectangle plus area of a what?
Triangle.
Triangle. That is what. So area of a rectangle. What is the name of the rectangle? Area of rectangle, everybody. Area of a rectangle, what is that, guys? BE, DC. DC or ED, whatever it is. DC plus area of a triangle. What is the area of a triangle?
ABC.
ABC. That's all. So now tell me, what is the area of a rectangle formula? We all people knows. Area of a rectangle formula. Length
L
into,
into B.
yeah, length
L
into
into B.
area of a triangle formula. Half into base into height.
Half
Tell
into
me.
base into
L means ED. Birth means DC. Is it right or wrong? All of you? ED into CD. Is it okay, Mari? Length into
Yes, sir.
birth. ED into CD.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. ED into CD plus half into base. Base of a triangle, what? Base of a triangle, BC. And height of a triangle, birth.
AC.
Understanding? Yes,
AC.
that is what? Birth into height. So, can I write it as a BC into AC? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anybody having any doubt? Please kindly let me know. Clear? Thambi ellame
Sir,
mudinjicha?
I can't understand this concept, sir.
What am I?
I can't understand this concept, sir.
Area under this graph. See that area under this graph, it is a trapezium. Have you noticed it? Four sides. One side B, another side ED, next side AD. C, forgot it is a midpoint, and BA. Totally four sides are there. What we used to call it is a trapezium. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Now this trapezium I am separating into two parts. One is triangle, another one is rectangle. So now you know area of a trapezium. What is the area of a trapezium? You don't know. What is the formula? For example, you don't know what is area of a trapezium. So that is why I am taking now. I am taking into two separate parts. One is area of a rectangle, another one is area of a triangle. So area of a rectangle, what is the formula, Shivani? Length into breadth. Yes or no? Yeah, length is ED and breadth is DC. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, area of a triangle. Triangle formula what? Half into base into
Height.
height. Half base is what? BC. Height is what? AC. That's all, Shivan. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood or not? Please respond.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, man.
So we are finding the displacement, sir.
We are finding displacement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mari? If you
Yes,
find
sir.
the area under the graph, that is the displacement. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
That is. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me, please. Clear, guys? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, you can find this one, or else, sir, I know the area of a trapezium formula. Anybody tell me area of a trapezium formula? I want to know. Any one of you,
One.
let me know. Let me see. I will draw the trapezium. Listen here very carefully. Listen. B, E, D, A, and this is B. This is the area of a trapezium. So this is the trapezium shape. Yes or no? Sailesh, Gokul, Purima, Sangamitrai. This is the trapezium. Now, area of a trapezium means formula. Directly you can write if you want it. Trapezium it is. So how to write it, sir? Now anybody be smart and tell me what is the parallel sides here? Can you tell me what is the parallel sides here? Parallel
Sir,
sides.
Sir,
sir,
DE and AD.
and AC, AD.
Yeah, very good. Parallel sides. What is the parallel sides of the trapezium? In this trapezium, everybody tell me. Lingesh.
DE and AD.
B is parallel to AD. Now, height of the trapezium. What is the height of the trapezium? Don't say BA. BA is the hypotenuse. It is not the trapezium. It is the height of the trapezium.
ED.
What is the height of the trapezium?
ED.
Everybody. All
ED.
of you. Please
ED.
respond. Height of the trapezium.
ED.
Height of the trapezium is always perpendicular to the parallel lines. Keep it in mind. Always perpendicular are perpendicular to parallel lines. So who is the perpendicular to parallel lines?
ED.
ED. So that is the height of the trapezium. So now I will directly say the formula. Remember, area of a trapezium is equals to, formula I am saying, you should tell
1
me.
by 2 into
Yeah, listen. Area of a trapezium is equals to, formula is sum of two parallel sides into height divided by 2. That's all is the formula. Please learn it. Sum of two parallel sides into height divided by 2. So can you tell me what is the sum of the two parallel sides? Fastly. Sum of the parallel sides. Everybody.
BE plus AD.
BE plus AD. Very good. BE plus AD. Next. Into height. ED divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
Divided by 2. Can I bring it as a friend? Everybody. Is it okay, Mari? Half into
yes,
AD plus BE or BE plus AD, your choice, into ED. Is it okay, guys? This is what area
Yes,
of a
sir.
trapezium. So area of a trapezium is only equals to what? Area of a trapezium is equals to what? Area of a trapezium is equals to what, guys?
displacement.
Displacement. So I can say displacement S is equals to what I can say, Mari? Half into BE plus AD into ED. Is it okay, guys? Shivani, Alpin, Agalya, understand?
Yes, sir.
Either I can write this formula or I can write this formula. Both are right or wrong? Everybody? Both
Yes,
are
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So here I am doing separately triangle plus rectangle. Here I am doing entire trapezium at a time. So whatever is your convenient, you can choose it. Nothing wrong in that. If anyone having any doubt in this, please kindly ask me. Mr. Kishore, Darshan, Sanjay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Agalya, understood, Agalya? Sailesh, Pranav?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but always it will be the trapezium, no, sir.
Mari, based upon the shape, Mari, suppose see Mari, for example, I will take. Is it completed, everybody? Is it completed, everyone? Please respond.
No, sir.
No? Yeah, finish it. Finish it. Finish it, Mari. I'll say it. Okay. Lingesh, Purinjicha, Lingesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Sailesh, Yura. Don't know, sir. Simply I am sitting. Are you writing notes? Mr. Gokul Raj, Sailesh, I'm calling
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it. So area of the trapezium, what is the formula? Area of the trapezium formula is what, guys? Sum of
Two parallel sides
height
into height by
Sum
2.
of two parallel sides into height
Keep in
by
mind,
2.
sir, how to find the height? Height is always perpendicular to parallel sides. Okay, people will think height means BA is the height. It's not the height. That's the hypotenuse. It's not that. So that is not the parallel side. It is not the height. Height is what? Perpendicular to parallel sides. That is what? What is that? Everybody? Yes, please. ED. Clear? So, sir, in height theriyadu, sir. Like that you draw. Listen, I will modify the diagram. All of you see. Lingesh, is it okay, Lingesh? See, B, E, D, A. Now, Purima, what is the parallel sides? Tell me. Who is parallel to whom? All of you. Same diagram, I rotated 90 degrees. Just see that.
B is parallel to
AD is parallel to B. And who is the height? Who is the height? This is the height.
D.
B.
The height. Is it okay, Mari? Agalya? This is the height. Sarya? And AD is parallel to whom? AD is
B.
parallel to B. Okay, do it. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Completed, Mari? Sangamitrai?
Yes, sir.
All of do it, please.
Yes, sir.
Once it is completed, we'll proceed. Now, Mari asked, always, sir? No, always, Mari. Sometimes, listen, all of you. Now, I will draw a graph. Now, you should tell me where acceleration is there, where not acceleration. See here. Now, this is the body. A point, B point, C point, and D point. Now find the acceleration of the body. Now A to B, acceleration erika illaya? Acceleration is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
acceleration is some x meter per second square. From C to D also, acceleration definitely will be some y meter per second square. Then can you tell me B to C, what is the acceleration? Anybody can tell?
Zero acceleration.
Zero acceleration.
Why B to C zero acceleration? Because it is parallel to whom?
Parallel to
Parallel to
x-axis.
x-axis. Clear? Parallel to x-axis. Means the body is traveling with a constant what? Constant
Velocity.
Very good. Constant velocity means acceleration is what? Here at this point. Zero. Now, they are asking us to find what is the distance traveled by the body or displacement traveled by the body. Shall we start now? How to find it? Everybody? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Now look into the screen very carefully. So till here, from A to D, I want to find the distance traveled by the body. Now listen very carefully here. So this is the total under the area. Under area, the graph is this one. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes,
The
sir.
graph under this is this one. Will you all accept it? Everybody? Sanjay? So this total area, I want to find it. So how to find it? I will draw the lines. You see that. So first, I'll
So
say,
why, sir, we need to find the total area?
because that is only displacement, correct, Mari? That is the displacement. If you find the total area under the graph is the displacement. I'm asking from A to D totally. Do you all understand it?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking from A to D total displacement. Is it okay, Mari?
Yes, sir. Sir, then in the previous question you asked
Previous
from
question
only.
I'm asking only between A to B. Do you understanding? From bit A to B. That is the reason only under that. Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
That is. Purima, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Here now. Here A to D total displacement. So displacement from A to D is equals to C. Now here first. Here if I draw a dotted lines. This is what, guys? Everybody tell me.
Triangle.
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 Let me take the point is E. Next, sorry, this C is there. D. E point I'll take. E. Then again, if I draw here a parallel line, then what is that?
Square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Understand? D, E, F. Square or rectangle, whatever it is. Then area of a triangle, half ABC, ABE plus area of a triangle, guys, it is. Clear, everybody? All of you? Yes?
Sir.
Yeah. So I will say area of a triangle, area of ABE plus area of a rectangle. Tell me, area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle what? BE.
Length into breadth. Base into height.
Next.
A.
This one, see, this one I can write in two ways. Let me take EFG. This is. I can write in two ways. Either single way. Single way just now we studied. Either I can write directly what? Area of a what?
Trapezium.
Trapezium. Or area of a trapezium alone, I can write what? Two things are there again. Here, check it, everybody. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I can write, yes, area of a trapezium, I can write in two ways. What is that? All of you. Area of a trapezium.
Area of rectangle.
Triangle and rectangle. So I can say area of triangle. What is that? DCH plus area of rectangle. What is that? CFGH. Purima Mari? Understand?
Yes.
Understood? Either I can take directly trapezium or I can take again, I can cut it and I can take it as a area of a triangle plus area of a rectangle. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? So this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, and this is A4. Or else if you want A3 and A3 plus A4 together, we can take it as a what? A5, let me take. That is what? Area of a what? Everybody? Area of
Trapezium.
Area of trapezium. Any doubt anybody can ask me. Is it okay, guys? Agalya, Sangamitra, Mari, Purima.
Yes, sir.
That is clear. Now, offline class, I will give you one question. 100% you people will struggle with that question. Let me give you that question when we come for offline class. Like similar graph, 100% you people will struggle to find the displacement done by the body. Let us discuss that. That's fine. Later we'll make it. Okay. So this is all about it, about how to find the slope of a velocity time graph. So always remember, slope of a displacement time graph will give you what? Slope of a displacement time graph will give you what? All of you.
Velocity.
Velocity. Slope of a velocity time graph will give you what? Slope of a velocity time graph.
Acceleration.
Acceleration. And area under the velocity time graph will give you what? Area under the velocity time graph.
Displacement.
Displacement. But area under the displacement time graph, nothing will give you. You understand, everybody? Area under the displacement time graph will never gives you anything. Is it okay, Mari? Only under the area under velocity time graph only gives you what? Displacement. Sarya, everybody, please respond. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is what you have to remember. Any doubt, guys? Anybody can ask me. This is what about? This is all you see. Uniformly accelerated motion. So means velocity is increasing only we are drawing. Everywhere velocity is increasing. Now uniformly velocity decreases. Then how the graph will be? That is what we'll discuss. Already we know uniformly decreasing acceleration. What we used to call another name of that? Respond. Uniformly decreasing acceleration known as
Non-uniform motion.
deacceleration or negative acceleration.
Retardation.
Yeah, retardation. Remember, Amari, Sanjay, Darshan. Uniformly decreasing acceleration. What we used to call, everybody? Uniformly decreasing velocity. Retardation.
Retardation.
So, for example, Mr. Kishore car is already with 100 meter per second. Be very careful. Already he is in what? What is the velocity of Mr. Kishore? Everybody. 100 meter per second. Now he apply the brakes. So remember very carefully. T is equals to 0. What is the acceleration of Mr. Kishore? Everybody tell me. Sorry, velocity. What is the velocity of Kishore? 100 meter per second. Now he wants to stop the car after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, for example, Mr. Kishore came to rest. Mr. Kishore came to rest means what is the final velocity? Everybody. Final velocity is what? 0.
0.
Understanding? Initial velocity is what? Maximum. Remember. Now, in this case, Mr. Kishore car is coming into the rest uniformly. Velocity is decreasing uniformly. Do you all understand? So we can call it as a deacceleration, negative acceleration, or also we can call it as what? All of you. We can call it as retardation. So your choice. Whatever you want, you can draw. Is it okay, guys? So I'm drawing the graph. How the graph will be? Graph will be like this. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Shivani, Purima. So this is called as, if the graph will be like this, then also body is said to be in what? Uniformly accelerated motion, but decreasing or increasing? All of you. Decreasing. Uniformly accelerated motion, but actually it is in what? Negative acceleration. So negative acceleration means, what is another name of negative acceleration? All of you. Retardation.
Deacceleration
Yeah,
or retardation.
retardation. Please write it. Clear? So again here same velocity. Value is just for your assumption. Mr. Kishore, value I said just for assumption. So values is not needed. Again, because you will remember the values. Just you remember. Already having some velocity, finally after certain time, body came to what? Rest. Clear, everybody? All of you? Understood, Ara?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes,
So, any doubt, anybody
sir.
can explain this. Clear, guys? This is retardation. Okay? That is. Now, retardation also, it will travel some displacement. Yes or no? Everybody, will you accept it? Retardation also, it will travel some displacement. Yes or no, guys? Now,
Yes.
I want to find the displacement, what is done by this body. So then what do I do? Displacement done by the body. What I have to do? Retardation also. What is the displacement, guys? Done by the body. Area under this graph. So area under this graph, what is the shape of this graph?
Triangle.
Yes, please.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Yeah, right angle triangle. So displacement done by is equals to area of triangle. Area of a triangle. Let me take the triangle is ABC. So area of a triangle ABC. So what is the formula? Tell me. Half into
B into
base
S.
into height. Base is what?
height.
AC into height is
AC.
what? Height is what? Height is what? BC or AC or AB
BA. BA.
or AB. Okay. B or AB. That is what it is. Puriyama, Lingesh, understood?
Yes, sir.
That is very important. Is it interesting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
mainly remember, I have taught you why we should find the area is equals to displacement. Last class, I have taught you velocity time graph proof. We remember, how many of you remember that proof? Understood? That is very important. That is only nobody will study. Only people will say statement. Find the area, it is the displacement. That's all. Why it is? Have you understand last class we proved it or not? For the graph which is your constant velocity. We have proved or not? Everybody? Nobody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I have proved it, verified. Displacement is equals to we got V into T2 minus T2. Verified everybody? You proved it or not? Displacement is equals to
Yes,
we
sir.
got it. V into T2 minus T1. Same way. Area is equals to also we got it. Area is equals to also we got it. V into T2 minus T1. So that
Area
my,
is equal to
so we
displacement.
can
That
say
one.
displacement is equals to area. We have done or not? Everybody? Kishore? Sanjay?
Yes.
Proof we have done or
Sir.
not? So this proof we need to know. That is what will make the difference between you and others. Everybody will study only area is displacement, but why it is, you have to learn the proof. You have to prove it also. Clear? That's what it is. Next, this is all about retardation. Decreasing velocity graph will come like this. Next slide. All of you. For an object in non-uniformly accelerated motion, how the graph will be, right? Next. For an object in non-uniformly accelerated motion. So you might be understood how to find the acceleration for non-uniform motion. Before also we studied velocity case also. If you want to find the velocity non-uniform motion, what we have done? Verify your notebooks and tell me. Either it is increasing or decreasing, non-uniform. What we'll do? At a particular point, we'll draw what? Check your graph. No. At a particular point, we'll draw something. Tangent. Do you remember? Notebooks you have to verify. Velocity, check it. This distance and time graph. If it is a non-uniform motion, we have drawn a tangent or not to find the velocity. And same way here. If it is there,
Yes, sir.
now what is the heading we kept? Non-uniform.
Sir, if it decreases only, no, sir, we need to find the
Decreases also,
tangent.
increases also, Mari, but it's non-uniform, Mari. Check your notebook, Mari.
Yes,
Both we have written.
yes, sir. Yes,
Increases
sir.
with the time, decreases with the time. Both we have written or
Yes.
not, guys? Verify it,
Yes,
everybody.
sir.
Yes or no? I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So increasing, it is non-uniform acceleration. So this is what non-uniform acceleration graph. So tell me, what will happen? Non-uniform acceleration. I want to find non-uniform acceleration. So I want to find, it is not possible to find by slope because as it is curved line. Now I want to find the slope at this point. Sorry,
Sir,
acceleration.
now what we need to find, sir?
I want to find acceleration at this point.
Ac-
What is that? How to draw? Yes, please.
Tangent, sir.
Yes.
A tangent.
Tangent. How to draw tangent? Terima, ellame. All of you. How to draw tangent? Tangent means it has to touch how many points? It has to touch only at one particular point. Clear? That is what. So I have drawn the tangent. So then here if I find the slope at point B, actually 11th class will study differentiation and integration we'll use for this, for finding the slope. By the time, of course, I will teach you. Don't worry. Okay. So slope at point P will gives you what? Everybody. Will gives you what, guys? Acceleration. So class 9th, even the fundamental foundation also will be having till here only. So we'll study only that. Even nobody of your friends will know. Even they will never even study what is non-uniform acceleration also. So you can write that. So velocity, what is the units velocity? Sure. Meter per second. So
Meter per second.
if you want to find the acceleration, acceleration for a non-uniform motion, what you can do? At a particular point, you will draw what? At a particular point, you will draw what, guys? You will draw
Tangent.
a tangent. So if you draw a tangent, then that is the slope of the graph. So at that point, I can find the acceleration. Is it okay, Wa? Everybody clear? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is it
Yes, sir.
acceleration is constant or not constant? If velocity is not constant, acceleration is
Not
constant or
constant.
not? That is what. So at every point it will varies. Understand? If I find here it will varies, here it will varies, here it will varies. Every point it will varies. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Right. In non-uniform motion, in non-uniformly accelerated motion, Shivani, Purima, Shivani, non-uniform
Yes, sir.
accelerated motion, the rate of change of velocity, the rate of change in velocity is not constant. So, acceleration is constant or not constant? It means,
Not constant.
yeah, it means acceleration is not constant. எல்லாமே புரியுமா புரியாதா? All of you understood? Kishore? At every point, acceleration will changes, Kishore. So wherever you want to find the acceleration, just draw the tangent. Suppose if you want to find the acceleration here, Kishore, just draw the tangent at this point. The tangent will give you the slope. That is what I am saying. That slope finding you will study. I will teach you later classes, or else you will study in the 11th class. Understand, Kishore? I will find the slope
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay, because it is a integration and differentiation concept. If I teach now, you'll never understand anything. So if I want to find the at this point slope, that's all. Here I will draw the tangent, and that will give you the slope of the body, slope of the point. So that is the acceleration at this point. Understand, Kishore? Like that, at this point, if I want to draw, here I will draw the tangent. Understand, Mr. Mari, Lingesh? At this point, I will draw the tangent.
Yes, sir.
Ellame clear? Please respond, all of you. At this point, I will draw the tangent. Then that will give you the slope of the body. Is it okay, guys?
So in the question, they will give where we need to find the tangent.
Yes, at particular point, Mari. At particular point, they will give you in the exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That is. Understood or not? Everybody.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to remember, that is what I will say one statement also. Meeting is going to end, write the statement point. Acceleration at any point on the graph, acceleration, very important point. Acceleration at any point on the graph is given by drawing the tangent